Hello friends, are you aware of a new privacy feature that Facebook has added recently? Many of us might not aware that Facebook have been tracking and monitoring our web activities and uses those data for ad boosting features. Okay, so today I will tell you about this new feature. The name of this feature is Off Facebook Activity. This feature let you control the data that Facebook receives about your activity on other application and website. Suppose you are visiting some sites from your end, visiting some application from your end. Okay, you are looking for a specific t-shirt and you clicked on that t-shirt. You are scrolling through the website, you clicked on a specific t-shirt, and that website creates a piece of data. Okay, when you click on that t-shirt, that website, say Amazon or Flipkart, creates some piece of data and records the data in their database. Okay, and for ad purpose, those data will be shared with some Facebook like companies where traffic is very high. Those sites provides ad facilities and the businesses sends the collected data to those sites. See, now Facebook has collected your data from your device, and those websites have the data when you clicked on the specific product. Now when the website sends that data to Facebook, Facebook matches that data from their database, and when it gets matched, the related product advertisement to display to your Facebook page. Okay, so this is mainly used for ad boosting features. Okay, you know how ad works on internet. When you search something on a website, the website gets your information from browser cookies, and that cookies helps website to show you target product. Okay, so when you when you visited some e-commerce site, you clicked on a t-shirt or any product, then your data is now saved at website end, and website can use those data to show you ad in their website, or they can outsource those data to another body to for ad purpose. You understand it, right? So this kind of facilities is provided, and nowadays Facebook is tracking our web activities to boost this feature. If you want, you can clear the history of application and website that have shared your data. Okay, you can also turn it off. Okay, or you can selectively choose which companies you want to stop sharing your activities, and it will stop showing you those ads. If you are disabling this feature, that does not mean you are not going to see any Facebook ads on your Facebook page. You will be seeing Facebook ads, but those Facebook ads was not that personalized. Okay, that would be some random ads. Suppose you were seeing some t-shirt on e-commerce website, and when those data is shared to Facebook, and Facebook collected that information from their end as well, and if they matches both data, and accordingly they show you the advertisement which is related to or which is similar to that product. You might be seeing some t-shirt advertisement or similar product advertisement. Okay, disabling it does not mean you are not going to see any advertisement. If you will disable it, Facebook is unable to track your data, and you might be seeing some random product advertisement on your Facebook. So if you want to disable it, you can do it as well. Okay, let's see how to disable it. This is my Facebook homepage. Okay, now you have to go to settings and privacy. Under settings and privacy, there is setting option. In setting option, you have to search for off Facebook activity. Okay, in off Facebook activity, see here you have no available activity to show at this time. This is because couple of hours ago I have cleared my logs. That's why it is cleared for me. But if you will check for your Facebook account, you will see the listed sites where you visited in couple of weeks. Like since February, I would say Facebook is tracking this data. So since February, whatever the site or web application you have visited, all will be listed here. Okay, you can see this data here, and you have an option to clear it all. Click on clear history, it will be cleared. Okay, yeah, here is the option, your activity has been cleared. Okay, now you have an option to disable it, or you can selectively choose which companies you want to stop sharing. Here is more option. In more option, you need to manage future activity, you need to click on. Then manage future activity, again you need to click on. Then here is the option to disable it, you need to make it disable. If this will be disabled, Facebook is not allowed to track your web activities data. So this is all about this new privacy feature of Facebook. That's all, my friend, that's all for today's. Thank you very much, take care.